All right, students, I want to review with you the distance between each electrode on each plane. Okay, so let's start with the sagittal plane. Okay, so the sagittal plane is, the three electrodes that we place on the sagittal plane are FC, CZ, and PZ. Okay, but let's start at the nasion. So the nasion to inion distance, the nasion to inion distance on this mannequin that I measured for you earlier is 35 centimeters. Okay, so let's start at the nasion. So the nasion, the distance from the nasion to FPZ is 10% of the nasion to inion distance. Okay, so if the distance is 35, the distance from the nasion to FPZ should be 3.5 centimeters, or 10% of the nasion to inion distance. Okay, so if I measure that, it's exactly 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so the first, hold on. So it's 10%. It's 10% of the distance from nasion to inion distance. From FPZ to FZ, that's 20% of the nasion to inion distance. Okay, so 20% would be 7 centimeters. So let's see what see what that is. So if I measure that, it's 6.8. Okay, so almost 7. So that's pretty close. And we're gonna discuss in class the error rate. So actually, I'm going to do a video to go over those sheets, and you'll see how that works. So it's 20% for the nasion to inion distance from FPZ to FZ, and it's 20% from FC to CZ. So let's see what I have here. It's 6.9. Okay, so it's 20% there. From CZ to PZ, it should be 20% of the nasion to inion distance, and this is 7 centimeters exactly. So that's good. And from PZ to OZ, it should be 20%. Okay, so let's see what our measurement was there. 6.9. And then lastly, from OZ to the inion should be 10% of the nasion to inion distance. So that should be 3.5 centimeters. And it's about 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so that's the sagittal plane. So if you add all those up, 10, 20, 20, 20, 20, and 10, that's 100%. Okay, 100% of the nasion to inion distance.